Hi Parth.
Hi. Nice
Great to see you and great to see your amazing products.
Thank you.
And the brand name is PARÉ. So we'll just know about PARÉ from Parth.
Okay, please come.
Yeah.
So this product is Artstone panels. These are 8 by 4 feet and 10 by 4 feet in size. They're seamless 3-dimensional structures. ये स्पेसिफिक डिज़ाइन में नेचुरल रस्ट ऑक्सीडेशन हुआ है. तो मैं देखोगे आप ये देखिए हाथ में नेचुरल रस्ट कोटिंग आ रहा है. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस it gives a very rustic and intrinsic appealing feel.
Wow.
In this specific product, I have 31 different structures. If you can come inside,
What is the material part?
This is made out of stone, glass and fiber composite.
Stone, glass and fiber.
That makes it good for exterior grade. If you wish to use this in exteriors, just put matte varnish on top of this and it's good to go.
So if we talk, this actually looks like steel. But
Yes.
Like actual
It's not
MS,
steel.
It's not.
I give a 15-year warranty for this.
15
It will
years.
stay like this. What has happened is, after the natural rust oxidation has happened, we've sealed it. So this will stay as it looks like right now.
Wow, wonderful, wonderful. So this has a size of
8 feet by 4 feet. I've used 3 panels over here.
Oh.
You won't be able to notice कहाँ panel खत्म हो रहा है, कहाँ panel
कहाँ
शुरू
हो रहा है, कहीं कोई joint दिखता ही नहीं है.
Absolutely.
That's truly amazing.
Thank you.
So what else you have?
Yeah, please come. This is the second structure in our Artstone series. This is Amazon Natura. ये देखो आप touch and feel करोगे तो आपको natural wood का feeling आएगा. But this is not natural wood. मैंने आपको बाहर जो बताया, it is the same structure. At the same time मैंने यहाँ पे 2 पैनल यूज किए गए हैं 10 फीट बाई 4 फीट के.
तो कहीं कोई जॉइंट नहीं दिख रहा है?
आपको ना जॉइंट दिखेंगे ना स्क्रूज दिखेंगे.
क्या बात है. And this can also be used in interior exterior both.
Interior exterior facade पे यूज करिए. One of our requirements also good is dining tables. Dining table पे लगा के ऊपर ग्लास लगा दीजिए. Look like a beautiful structure.
And I have seen something outside which is stunning.
Please.
बहुत ही खूबसूरत था. Victorian.
This is the inspiration for this is taken from the Turkish Ottoman palace. ये जो design है ना, this is very present in Turkish cultures.
Wow.
So this is typically a design, again exterior grade. You can use this like the picture is shown above in your surfaces. I have multiple tones in this. I have white and black, and this is grey and black and bronze.
क्या बात है. Where all we can use this, like
same interior, exterior, dining table. This specific panel, ये color हम दरवाजे में बहुत
अच्छा.
There is a very good response.
डोर पे यूज कर सकते हैं.
Yes, बिल्कुल दरवाजे पे यूज करिए.
क्या बात है.
दरवाजे पे खाली स्क्रू कर दिए, you good to go. आपके पास ऐसा दरवाजा आ जाएगा. None of the neighbors will have a door like that.
Wow. And what about this? It's a very antique wall.
Yes.
ये तो मूवीज में ही देखा है मैंने कभी.
हाँ, ये आपका सीमेंट और ब्रिक्स का कॉम्बिनेशन.
And this material is also
the same material, खाली different structures है. और structures भी ऐसे बनाए, आप देखिए brick component को touch करेंगे, brick का touch and feel आएगा.
बिल्कुल real brick.
Touch the cement का touch and feel. That detailing in the terms of shade, color and the touch and feel given is very beautiful.
And is this one panel?
This is one panel. This is 10 feet by 4 feet of one panel. If you have an area, let's say about 10 feet by 8 feet, ऊपर दूसरा panel लग जाएगा. Then we make the installation process and it looks seamless in the end. Like one piece जैसे हमने Amazon में देखा.
Any size we can create.
Absolutely.
And this can be used in interior, exterior, in Indian climate. कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
As an interior designer, we leave it up to your creativity. Use it anywhere. Product को कुछ नहीं होगा. That is my guarantee.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. Wonderful. So it is maintenance free.
Waterproof है. तो गीले कपड़े से पोंछ दीजिए, गंदा हो गया तो कोई बात नहीं. And next is Sofit Systems. Now for this product, we're the only manufacturer for this product in the southeastern region of Asia. These can be used on your ceilings and walls. Reason why this product is so popular, wood जैसे दिखेगा ceiling पे लग गया, wood है नहीं. This is made out of PVC plus 13 different components. तो आपका क्या है, seamless लगेगा क्योंकि उसके specially designed interlocking है. Waterproof, no termite issue, no polishing required. Installation आपका कोई भी labor कर पाएगा. Becomes very easy for the household to use a product like this.
And it says it replicates the real wood. Easy to install, seamless, unique interlocking, custom sizing. So these are the profiles
हाँ.
for the installation.
Absolutely.
Okay.
We manufacture same profiles in the same shade. तो क्या है एक बार आपका लग गया तो it looks seamless. Now look at this design for example. The design ये knots देख रहे हो आप जो natural wood में होता है ये भी डिजाइन में replicate किया है.
And so majorly इसका uses कहाँ पर है?
आपके छज्जे हो गए, लिविंग रूम सीलिंग्स, सीलिंग टू वॉल एप्लीकेशन, एक्सीलेंट प्रोडक्ट फॉर द बाथरूम्स बिकॉज इट इज वाटरप्रूफ. एट द सेम टाइम बाथरूम में इंडियंस को आदत है कि ऊपर टंकी रखने के लिए यू कैन मेक अ ट्रैप डोर इन दिस.
तो इसको खोल सकते हैं, इजीली मेंटेन कर सकते हैं, यूज कर सकते हैं.
एंड बेस्ट केस सिनेरियो फॉर एग्जांपल आपने कहाँ पे लगाया है, फॉर व्हाटएवर रीजन एक प्रोडक्ट में डेंट आ गया. यूजुअल केस में आप कोई भी प्रोडक्ट यूज करते हो पूरा सीलिंग निकालो, नया लगा लो. इसमें खाली वही एक पैनल निकालो, बदल दो, फिक्स कर दो. It is reusable.
And how many designs you have in this?
I currently have 12 wooden shades and 2 flat shades. यहाँ पे आप 6 wooden shades plus 4.
These are flat shades.
These are flat shades. I have white and black.
Wow. So with the profiling, so it has textures also.
Yes.
मतलब बिल्कुल फील होता है कि आपने टेक्सचर यूज किया हुआ है.
Yes.
Wonderful.
And this is absolutely very good. अभी कोरोना के टाइम में we've added an invention. जो भी सोफिट हम मार्च 2021 के बाद बेच रहे हैं सब पे एंटी बैक्टीरियल कोटिंग है. कोई भी बैक्टीरिया आया 30 सेकंड में मर गया. Because we're also scared of corona, we got to do this.
Wonderful, yaar. That's really amazing.
Yes.
And this can be also used as a exterior ceiling.
Yes,
like
absolutely.
As you are showing this in the ceiling.
Yes, absolutely.
So this is for exterior.
Yeah.
So we can use put the light on the ceiling and install to fixtures वगैरह फिट करने में कोई इशू नहीं.
COB lights never an issue.
Oh. तो इसका अगर if we talk about installation,
yes,
तो is it very difficult or easy?
Very easy.
Very easy.
Typically सीलिंग के लिए आपका POP जिप्सम बोर्ड का कॉन्ट्रैक्टर रहता है, वो इजीली कर पाएगा.
और इसका वेट कितना होता है? अगर अब if we talk about
very lightweight. The product thickness is only 1 mm.
1 mm. Oh.
Yeah. So the weight for about 1 square feet will be less than 200 grams.
Oh. तो अगर हम इसका इंस्टॉलेशन कर रहे हैं तो आई थिंक टाइम भी बहुत कम लगेगा.
Yes.
और बाहर वो वेदर प्रूफ है, कोई पानी का कोई इशू नहीं है. बाथरूम्स में यूज़ करें, चाहे घर में, ऑफिसेज में, कहीं भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं.
Never an issue.
Wow.
And because it is lightweight and all of these features are in this product, it also makes it very excellent to क्या है गंदगी नहीं होती है. घर में यूजुअली कोई भी प्रोडक्ट लगाते हो 4 दिन
डस्ट बहुत क्रिएट होता है. VOC
एमिशन व्हिच इज अ वेरी बिग थिंग. क्या होता है अभी कोई भी प्रोडक्ट यूज करते हो क्लोरीन के फ्यूम्स दे हार्म योर बॉडी इन द लॉन्ग टर्म.
एब्सोल्युटली.
पेंट और ये सब आप लगाते हो दे हार्म यू. इसमें देयर इज 0 VOC एमिशन.
ओह, दैट्स ग्रेट यार.
इट इज एक्सट्रीमली
सो
हेल्दी.
इट कैन बी यूज्ड फॉर ग्रीन बिल्डिंग्स आल्सो.
एब्सोल्युटली.
Especially architects who are very conscious about green building material. So this is very good for green building.
Approved.
Wow. So if we talk about the, as you said, weather resistant, scratch resistance, UV resistance, waterproof, fire retardant, क्या बात है. मतलब इसमें कोई ऐसा क्वालिटी ऐसा रह नहीं गया जो आपने छोड़ दिया हो. Very good, yeah, very nice. And if we talk about the pricing,
okay,
so what price range it has?
आपको घर पे 180 to 200 rupees per square feet के बीच में including profiles आ जाएगा. Installation will be about 40-45 rupees per square feet extra depending on the location in India.
So in just 250 rupees per square feet?
Per square feet में this product will be readily installed with a 10-year warranty.
Oh wow. Now audience, can you really see कि this kind of quality with all the features on it with green building product, you can get it in just 250 rupees per square feet. And you can serve pan India. आपका material मिल जाता है.
Yes, we have a very robust network of dealers across India.
Okay. And where is your factory? Where are you making
Our factory is in Gujarat, Vapi.
Oh,
yeah.
It's in India.
It's
and
in
it
India.
is Asia's first. क्या बात है.
And
Not
only
India. And only. Wow.
Very proud to be.
Wonderful. Thank you very much for sharing in so much of detail. And people who are looking for innovative ceiling products, you can contact PARÉ and Parth. But how can people contact you? So your social media.
We are
website.
very good on social media. You can visit us on our website. So we'll obviously put a number in the description below. You can message us on that for your requirements.
So we'll share the number and we'll share the website and all the social media links so you can connect to Parth and to PARÉ to see, to have a beautiful houses or commercial spaces or the designer walls if you want. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.